these, those, runs, is, now, is, face, this, office, close, father, with, those, dash, this, mouth, something, two, things, things, three, check of chicken, kitchen, watcher, jobs, orange, chun, engineer, major, usual, leisure, vision, freezer, search, what, forest, fish, fashion, fast,